Hello everyone, my name is Sydney Gambrell and I am a senior fine arts major here at Winthrop University. My concentration is in painting. However, I conduct my research in a lot of different ways using a lot of different techniques. As I anticipate graduation this coming May, I reflect back on my experience as a student and as an artist here on campus and what this journey has looked like for me. During my time here at Winthrop, my mentors and my peers have incredibly impacted my experience here and the research that I have conducted. My research visually explores the characteristics of the home, and my professors, mentors, and peers have pushed me to investigate these interests in a rich and dynamic way that I may not have been able to think about before coming here at Winthrop. Understanding how we interact and create connections with personal and intimate objects as well as spaces, such as our childhood homes or our homes now, has driven my research thus far, and I will continue to explore these topics moving into my final body of work and my senior thesis exhibition that will be happening in May. Research within any area includes several components that work together hand in hand. Identifying your ideas and your interests is key to spearheading your practice and your research, but being able to approach that research in a creative and effective way is just as essential and just as important. One of the most impactful ways that I have challenged myself and my decisions within my department and my personal creative practice is constantly seeking advice and counsel from those around me, such as my professors, my peers that are in my classes with me, and friends that aren't in the art department that can give me a unique perspective on what I'm creating and what I am investigating. Finding interests and questions to answer is the beginning of a fulfilling experience here at Winthrop. However, spending time with those who invest and inspire you is so important to the experience that you will have as a student and as you begin your career. Soon, I will walk away with lifelong connections that have impacted not only my career as a young artist, but have impacted my character as an individual. Surrounding myself with those who are diligent, passionate, and intentional has strengthened my success here on campus, and I would suggest any student does the same. To find a community that encourages growth and experimentation. Those connections and relationships will be pivotal in the person that you become, like it has been for me. I am eager and excited to continue my research beyond graduation, and I hope that you, prospective and future students, are invigorated with excitement and motivation to start this amazing new chapter of your life. So good luck in your future endeavors, and I cannot wait to see how your story unfolds here at Winthrop's campus. Thanks so much, and I hope you enjoy today's open house.